Good morning, welcome back to another brand new vlog. How you guys doing this morning? Hope you guys are doing okay. It's currently 8:30 in the morning. I woke up pretty early this morning because I have a lot of stuff I want to do today. First of all, I want to cook. Okay, I want to prepare some food because your girl literally don't have anything at all to eat in this house. So yeah, so I want to prepare some stew for the week. Some of you guys might know it as tomato sauce, so I want to prepare some tomato sauce. And one thing right now we are having in Deutschland is that we have no cooking oil, and I really don't know why. I think they said it's because of the war that is going on right now, but I don't know how that is affecting our cooking oil here in Deutschland. So we literally don't have any cooking oil in the supermarket. Like, I literally went to different supermarkets last week and I was not able to find any cooking oil at all. So it's been really difficult, okay, when it comes to that. Literally, if anybody calls me, I'm like, do you have any cooking oil in your city? I literally talked to my sister, I think that was yesterday, and I was like, do you guys have cooking oil? And she was like, no, we don't. I was like, okay, I think it's everywhere in Deutschland. So yeah, so literally we have no cooking oil, but I'm going to prepare my tomato sauce with this. We call this palm oil, or you can call it red oil. So we literally use this to prepare tomato sauce back in Nigeria, and it tastes really good. So I'll be you know, craving for a red oil stew. So that is what I'm going to be preparing this morning. So yeah, literally I'm boiling the chicken right now. So yeah, so I'm going to try and put the chicken in the back oven because I have no oil to fry the chicken. Okay, so yeah, so that is what I'll be doing right now. Definitely we are going to see how this vlog is going to turn out to be. Okay, so yeah, if you guys watch me for a very long time, you guys know I don't like cooking. I don't enjoy cooking. Okay, so what I normally do whenever I want to cook is that I like playing music or watching any movie. Okay, because I think whenever I'm doing that, it makes me, you know, happy. It makes me enjoy to cook. So literally that is what I do because I don't like a silent kitchen. Okay, so comment down below and tell me what you like doing whenever you're cooking. Do you like playing music, or you like watching movie? So, or you're the kind of person that just like a silent kitchen? Because for me, I don't like that. Okay, so I need something, you know, to, you know, motivate me to cook, you know, to keep me company whenever I'm cooking. So yeah, that is my hack of enjoying how to cook. So let's start cooking. I'm gonna show you guys something. I got this from Africa. This is called shrimp. It's just regular shrimp, but this is dried. Okay, this is very tasty. Okay, when you put this in your sauce or in your soup or in your food. Oh my god, it tastes really nice. It's shrimp but it's dried, okay, so it tastes really good. Basically what I'm doing, I'm just washing the shrimp, soaking it in warm water, and I added some salt on it, so I'm going to wash it really nice. So when I'm done, I'll basically just put it in the sauce. So people, I'm done with cooking. I just want to quickly clean the kitchen and go and take my shower because I need to do a trial haul video for you guys. And also later in the evening, I'll be going out with a friend of mine. We are going to check an apartment. So yeah, that is basically what I'll be doing. So guys, I'm about to go out right now, change of plans because it is already 4 and I'm not able to do my video anymore because I told you guys already we are going to check some apartments. So I need to go right now to catch my bus and my train. So yeah, I think maybe when I come back I will do my trial video, or maybe tomorrow. I hope I come early. If I come early, definitely I'm going to do the videos today. If I don't, that means it's going to be tomorrow. Okay, so yeah, let's start going. So guys, I just came down from the train. We are actually looking for the apartment. We are already at the street, but we're just looking for the house number. So yeah. We are here. We found the place already, but first of all, let me show you guys. I don't know if you guys can literally say we are like on top of a mountain right now, because the step we have to take to get to the front of this building it's a no for me, okay, because I'm not sure I'll be able to be taking this type of step every time I'm coming here to look for anybody. Okay, so that is it. Okay, for the step, for me it's a no. But yeah, we are literally waiting for the person to, you know, come and show us the apartment, and we are not just the only one here that is going to check the apartment. So yeah, so definitely they have to choose. So they are going to give, are they going to give us or give it to somebody else? We really don't know. But for me, the step is a no for me. First of all, I'm not going to lie, because this step and going to shopping, you know, going for shopping, bringing those things up is kind of stressful. That is the only thing, because the step is long, guys. I don't know if you guys can literally see the step, but it's pretty long. Okay, and I really don't know if the person we are waiting for is going to allow me to vlog the apartment, but we'll see. Okay, I really hope so. We're just waiting for the person. Okay, so yeah,
I am not allowed to vlog the apartment, but I sneak a little clip for you guys.
this is the kitchen. It's pretty small though, but it's okay. Well, nice view. This is the toilet.
Discussing about the apartment.
Wenn das zu laut, zu oft ist.
Vlog. I like the view though. The view is nice. Guys, can you guys see this step? Imagine. This is the step we have to take to the apartment. But anyway, we are done. We are going home right now. I think I will talk to you guys when we get home. Okay, I'll tell you guys everything. It's a nice area. Like, There are two supermarkets really close to the place, so it's good. In the supermarket, I want to check if they have any oil, but guys, no oil, like no cooking oil. I want to pick up some few things before we go home. So let's go. I'm going home right now. It's pretty late already. So everyone, I'm back. It is currently 10 in the evening, so I just want to take off my makeup and take my shower, then I could go to bed and sleep, okay? Because tomorrow, you guys know I told you I wanted to do a trial haul for you guys today, but unfortunately it was not possible because I left the house earlier. So yeah, so I think I'm gonna do that tomorrow. So yeah, well, the place we went to, the apartment we went to, is nice, but for me, I don't like it. Okay, first of all is the step. Okay, like literally when you live in that type of house, whenever you want to take stuff like upstairs, like maybe you're coming back from the supermarket, it'll be really difficult. Okay, like it will be really difficult for you to pack the whole shopping upstairs. So yeah, for me that was no. And the room was pretty small, and that was one thing also. And they literally told us that we could not bring any of our old stuff to the apartment. Like whatever we want to bring to the apartment, it should be brand new stuff, because the agent said they were having problem when it comes to bed bug over one time in that house, but right now they said everything is okay with the house, so that's why they don't want anyone to literally bring any of their old stuff to the house. They will give you your own bed and your own wardrobe and all that. So yeah, I don't know what really happened to me today, because today I literally did my makeup very bad today. Like the makeup I did today, I was not literally proud of it. So yeah, because I was in a hurry, so I just had to just do the worst makeup ever. That was the reason why I was literally putting on face hat. So yeah, because there was no time for me to clean everything and restart again. So yeah, and I was not able to do my trial haul video anymore for you guys today. So what I'm going to do is that I'm going to do that tomorrow. So that's why I need to just try and go to bed on time. So yeah, so that's what I'm going to be doing. Okay, alright, now I'm about to take my shower and I will talk to you guys at night. Okay,
Thanks for watching. Like, share and subscribe.